Okay, so this template was ready. This was one working well. Next, we are going to work on to copy these photos, whichever the photo you have, copy that photos and come under the external CSS folder and paste here. You can paste under the external CSS folder. Okay. Next, after that, under the external CSS folder, you are going to create one separate file, a style.css. Under external CSS folder, a style.css. And one more file called home.html. Home.html. Create two file, style.css and home.html. Style.css and home.html. You will create one more file, about.html. Create one more file, contact.html. Create one more file, service.html. Okay. So how many HTML file? 4 HTML file and only one CSS file. CSS will write one place and we will link to in HTML multiple place. Okay, CSS will write one place and will link in the CSS multiple place. So go to the CSS file. In that you will write for body tag, margin 0 px. For h1 tag, font size 50, color as red. Okay, so h1 will be in the font size 50 and color will be red, and body will have no any margin, no any gap from any side. Okay, next after that, come to the HTML file. In HTML file, we can write now hyperlink and we'll try to link the HTML with CSS. Okay, so go to style.css file, you are ready. Come to the next file, that is called home.html. HTML you can start. Head also you have to follow. Link, REL. Link is the tag that will help you to link HTML with the CSS file. Link, REL equal to style sheet. Href equal to file name. Style.css. Okay, ready? Link rel style set href equal to style.css. So this line is going to link HTML file with CSS. Now we can come down, we'll follow the body tag.
Sir, in style.css file, we have not given a style tag. So like if we save the file with .css, it's not required to give the style tag.
Not required.
Okay.
If the file extension is CSS, no need to write the style tag. If the file extension is HTML, then only you need to open the style tag. Okay. Next, after that, come to this file. Follow the UL, close the UL, li, a, href equal to current file name home.html home, हाँ सर, हाँ सर बोलिए। अच्छा। हम्म, हम्म, अच्छा। अभी सब तो जूनियर है ना, अभी तो सबको कोई प्ले स्कूल नहीं तो एलकेजी यूजी वगैरह में जाएगा इसमें। ठीक है। अच्छा, वो इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में। अच्छा, ठीक है। ठीक है, मैं आपको भेजता हूँ 10 दिन। हम्म। अच्छा, उनका नाम क्या है? निशान। मिसाइल, अच्छा मिसाइल, ठीक है। ठीक। अच्छा, ठीक। अच्छा, ठीक। ठीक है, हम आपको भेजते हैं थोड़ा देर। Okay, suppose you written one line, keep one more on. What we have next is called about. So we can write here call about us. Next we have called contact, PSAT, contact, contact us, service, services, our services. Okay, so these 4 files we have added. Come down below. H1, welcome home. Save this file. Check H1 is coming in the big font size or not. Save this file, run once. See H1 is coming in the big font size. This one is coming big font size. That represent your HTML and CSS both are linked together. HTML file are able to link with the CSS. HTML file is linked with the CSS. Now we'll copy everything from here and we'll paste in the next file about.html. Change their heading call about us. Again, we can paste the same file in contact and we can change the heading. Again, paste the same code in service and change the heading. Okay, in contact we can change again. Contact us. In the service we can change again our services. Now check in all the files. Click and go to any file. See the color is same. H1 color is same or different. We can open any file. See code is same. Only heading is changed. The content of H1 is different. Remaining code is same. If you go to any file, the H1 remains same. H1 color looks same. If you go to any file, H1 color will look same. Okay. Now come to the CSS file and red change to blue. Again check is it reflecting in all the file or only one file. blue color once we change, you can see get reflect in all the file, right? So what is that? One to one or one to many? One to many. Yes. One to many. Why? Because one CSS file we have and multiple HTML file we have. We change one place, and after that, whichever the HTML file we gone, we see it's reflecting all the places. Whichever the file we gone is reflecting in all the places. So now you have three options. One option called inline CSS. Now assume if you write inline CSS, then for this H1, how many places you have to write? If you write is inline CSS, for this H1, how many places you have to write? Four pages we have, so we have to write four times. If there is 100 page, we have to write 100 times. Assume for this LI, if you need to write the CSS, so in one page you have to write four places. Inline CSS. In about also you have to write four places. In contact also we have to write four places. And in the service also we have to write four places. So four places in one file, and total number of files are 4. So it will become a 16 place. So instead of writing the 16 places, now you will write only one place. That is in which file? Style.css. And after that, it will reflect in all the files. Okay. So let us check now. We will write one place and we'll see whether it is reflecting on it. H1, let it be before H1. Okay, before H1, write for li, not all li, ul space li. Okay, display inline and padding from top 10 pixel, from left right 25 pixel, and from bottom 10 pixel. This is called short code. Short code. First number will reflect on the top. Click now. Hello. Yeah. Yes. Okay, what's your name? Kirtana. Okay. You have that number. I will give you that number. Call to her. Correct. Triple 841 666 08. Kirtana. Her name is Kirtana. You can call. Okay. So now all are coming in online. Check now. Go to any page. All will come in one line. Any page if you go, it will appear in the same line. Okay. So this is called short code. Which one? We have written here padding. Yesterday, if you remember, we have written padding top, padding left, padding right, padding top, padding bottom. We can write that also. Padding top, padding left, padding right. So you have to write three places. Instead of writing three places, we can write only one time. Padding, their first number will reflect from the top. It's called the padding top. Second number is padding left and padding right. And the third number is padding bottom. So top and bottom is 10 and 10, and left and right is 25 and 25. Now before that, write for UL. For UL. Padding, padding. Okay, so 20 is there, so there you can write is 18 px, and then background complete which color? Black color. Or some other color you can use, purple color, highlighted color. Okay, ready? Save now. The background of the UL will come purple color. Oh, it's not visible here. Okay. So we can purple become very highlighted. Black you can try. Black still it will not be visible because by default E will come as a blue color. E wherever we write A tag, it will come in the blue color. Okay, come down. UL LIA. Under the UL tag, you have LI tag. Under the LI, there is the A tag. Their color as white color, and then text hyphen decoration. That is called underline as a none. Text decoration none. Okay, so now it will be visible. Okay, next after that, it will become a white color. Go to any page, you will find navigation remains same and heading H1 also remain same. So this is called one to many. Write the CSS one place and apply multiple places. Write the CSS one place and apply multiple places. Okay, next after that, we can write one small CSS again here for li. UL colon li, when you move the mouse, should become as a blue color. Background will become as a blue color. UL li colon over background blue. color should be color colon blue. Okay, on mouse move. Anything? Color is not changing. What we have written? Oh, we have written color. It should be background. It should not be color. It should be as a background. Background colon blue. By default is a black. It will become blue once you move the mouse. Okay, color is happening, but it's not covering the complete height. Reason, let us find out. We have given for, okay, for UL padding is 18. And for LI, padding is how much? 8, 10. 18 is not 18. Okay, let me try. Not 18, it should be 20, 20. It should be 20, then it will apply. 18, how much is going to come? Let us sequence. 18 is okay because font size we have not increased. It should be 17, 18 combination. If you will have 18, then Li should have 19. 1 pixel more. And in the middle one, 25 are given, increase to 35. So left to right, there will be more space. Between left to right, there will be more space.
Sir, while declaring in the CSS file, like it has to be in a order like how we have written the code. A structured way it should be, or like we can write it in any way.
You can write anywhere, but keep in mind, code you are not writing for yourself, no, code you are writing for the company. And we will not be in the company for full life. Time to time, we'll leave the company. Now, next person will come. You need to understand your code. So for that, it will be better to write in sequence. Or you can write anywhere. If you write top, bottom, here, there, it will work. System will find from anywhere inside the page. But a user cannot find, developer cannot find, developer will face the problem. So for developer point of view, we should write in sequence. System point of view, you can write anywhere, anything. Sequence is not matter for system. Okay.
And yes, sir. And in the HTML file, we have given a link, right? This is to link, and like REL is equals to style sheet. Why are you we giving that, sir?
That was internal CSS. This becomes a external CSS. Earlier was internal CSS there. CSS and HTML both was in the same file. Now CSS is in different file. So that we link separate. And HTML is in current file that we wrote here. This is the yesterday.
Okay.
Where you can see HTML is in the same file and CSS is also in the same file. So for that we have written the style tag. So this is called the internal CSS. CSS will be in the within the file. What you have written today, CSS is not inside the file. CSS is out of the file. You are linking at runtime. When the page will run at that time, it will link the HTML with CSS. Okay, and then it will execute the page.
Okay. REL is equals to style sheet will stay common for all the files. Only the file name will change with href, right?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, now come to the home file. You can go to any file and check the link is hover is happening or not. In any file, whichever the file you have, go to any file, you will see the link is happening as same. Hover behavior, everything same. Okay, now suppose in case if you want to bring this navigation in the middle part, middle of the UL, you have to go to the CSS file and in CSS for UL tag. We have the UL tag here. So under the UL tag, we can write text hyphen align colon center. Text hyphen align colon center. Okay, written text align center. Check now. ULs are coming in the middle. Navigation is coming in the middle. Next, after this, we have to create one banner, photo banner. So in your folder, already you have one photo, 3-4 photos should be there. Come to the home file. In home file, H1 you can delete now. H1 is not required. Right here is section tag. Inside the section tag, ID equal to banner. ID equal to banner. Inside you can write animated CSS banner. Animated CSS image banner. Okay. In the normal day-to-day life, you call it a banner. Like when you open the website, many website will have a photo, no big banner on the screen, moving photos. Okay. So we call it a normal banner, but technical people call it a carousel. 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 Carousel meaning is what? Banner. Moving photos. That keep change automatically. That is called as a carousel. Yeah, so this portion is done. Come to the CSS now. In CSS, we'll write the CSS. Through that, we can change the look and feel of this section tag. So we'll go to the style.css file. In a style.css file, hope HTML is ready. ID equal to BANNER. Some text you have written, anything your wish. Section is the tag name. H1 CSS we don't need. We can delete also. Right there, has banner. Banner will have gap from top, like padding from top, padding hyphen top 130 pixel. Then text hyphen align center, padding top 130 px, text align center. Okay, next after that, color of the text. You can write any color your wish. Font size of the text 50-60 pixel. Font weight of the text bold. Font weight bold. Check now. It's coming big font size. CSS, animated CSS, image, carousel. It should look like this. In home page, that should look like this. Next, after that, background should be photo. So for that, you will use a property called background hyphen image colon function called URL. Using URL function, we can give a path 1.jpg. So this 1.jpg should be in our current folder. 1.jpg should be in current folder. One.jpg should be in current folder. Then background hyphen size 100% height and 100% is width. You can check now. Okay, so background is coming as a photo. Check now. Background will cover the complete height and complete width, but we have not given height width, so that this is look like something else. Let's write here in the beginning height of the carousel somewhere 300 pixel. Height of carousel 300 pixel. Height of carousel 300 pixel. So now in that 300 height, it should fit. Some gap we have from the top. This is because of UL. You will have some margin by default. We can remove that. Write this first. Banner is coming. Image. Okay. Hope ready. Then see now. Some gap we have from the top. This gap we can remove using the UL tag. Under UL tag, you will write margin 0px. UL tag you have written on the top. Text align center. There only write margin 0px. Okay. Margin 0px. Now no any gap. No gap. Image is completely starting just after the banner, after the image. This text color you can change cross color of the photo. Suppose my photo is a blue color, text is also blue. So the text is blue, I should change this color. Okay. You can check which color will fit here. Cross color, it should be cross color. So mine is blue here. I'll change to yellow and then I'll see whether it's a fitting or not. It should be cross color, blue and yellow. Okay. You have to download the big size photo and keep here. You cannot display passport size photo no, in full screen. Download a big size photo 2000 by 2000 and keep there. It will display properly. Okay, go next. Next banner is ready. When we click on home, it remain on the same page. When we click on home, it will be on the same page. Right, let's go ahead next.
Sir, same code I used, but I'm not getting the image, sir.
Image will not come from the code. Image will come if image is there in the folder.
Yes,
Image,
it is there. Same folder it is there, sir. Same naming convention, everything I have given actually.
what is the extension of photo?
Same, like yesterday when we created, I got uh, JPG only, sir.
I send you the code, replace that.
Okay.
Okay, hope working. Okay, now this photo should change. The photo should change. Okay, the photo should change. For that, we have to write the animation. Through animation, we can change the photo. It is simple, not very difficult. Let's go here. You can write a comment here. CSS animation. CSS animation. Animation. Okay, hope you have written CSS animation. Now come down below. CSS animation, you can write through a keyword. The keyword name is called @keyframes. @keyframes. It is the fixed word. Okay, it used to create the animation. @keyframes space name of animation. It can be any name. Now suppose if I give here my banner. So my banner become the name of animation. While creating the animation, you have to follow the @keyframes as a reserved keyword. With the help of keyframes, we can create the animation. So @keyframes space name of your animation. So name of animation becomes a my banner. Now this my banner you have to link with banner. So you will write here a property called animation my banner. Animation my banner. Okay. my banner. So what we call under the banner, we call animation as a my banner. Now this animation will be for how minutes, how many minutes, how many seconds. When the page will run, animation will get applied. So animation will be for how long? Duration you have to set. So right here, animation hyphen duration. Animation hyphen duration. Suppose for 20 second. 20s. 20 second. Animation hyphen duration 20s. How is it 20 second? Now in that 20 second, what you want to do? You want to change the color, you want to change the image, you want to increase, decrease the font size. How many time you want to change? Like suppose you given a animation, my banner. Under my banner, we have not written anything. And we said like animation duration will be for the 20 second. Animation duration will be for the 20 second. Now in that 20 second, what you want to do? You want to change color. If you want to change the color, see by default which color? Yellow we are given. So in the 20 second of time duration, you want to change the color. Yes. Then how many time you want to change the color? One time, two time, three time, four time. Correct? Suppose in 20 second, you want to change the color four times. So the 20 second is the total time. And how many time you want to change? Four times. Now the 20 divided by 4, how much will come? 20 divided by 4 will say, then 5 second will come. After 5 second, one color. Again after 10 second, another color. After 15 second, another color. After 20 second, another color. Okay. So see, same thing you are going to write here. So 20 second becomes a total duration. Okay. So we are going to consider here total duration as a 100%. 20 second is the total duration. Total duration is 20 second. If you say in percentage, so total 20 second will consider the 100% of the duration. Now 20% duration is going to consider as a 100%. In 100%, how many time you want to break? 4 times. That meaning after 25% of the time duration, after 25% of the time duration, so total duration is 20 seconds. In 20 seconds, once 25% will get finished. Before 25%, which color will be there? The default color. That is called yellow. After 25%, which color you want to put? Suppose color as red. So in the 20 second, if 25% of the time will get passed, then the color will change to red color. Next again, if the 50% of the time will get passed, then color will change to the green color. Okay. If 75% time will get finished, color will change to orange color. And once it will reach 100%, it will go to the default one. That is called yellow. Once it will reach 100% means once it will go till after 15 seconds, once the 15 second will get over, then it will become orange. Once the 20 second will get over, then it will become a original color. That is called yellow. Save the file, run the page, check once. In 20 seconds, colors will change 3 times. Color is changing. It is changing here. Page is silent, but the color is changed. It will happen only one time. It will not happen many times. Okay, after 20 seconds, it will get stopped. See, become a yellow and it's got a stop. We want to set the timer in that. Timer already applied here. How long? 20 seconds. Okay, but how many times we have not given? We have given how long? So 20 seconds. And how many iteration? How many loop? Not mentioned. Okay. So for that we have to add another property. Animation hyphen iteration. Animation iteration count. 1 means 1 time, 2 means 2 time, 3 means 3 time, 10 means 10 time. Infinite means unlimited time. Till your page is open, the animation is will be keep running. Till the animation is open, till the page is open, animation will go on. Okay, it will not stop, it will keep going on. You can reduce the duration, 20 seconds is more, 15, 10 seconds. In 10 seconds, it will change 3 times. It will look fast. In 10 seconds, the color will change 3 times. It will look fast. Will be little fast. Changing color, it will be infinite. Now color changes is happening. Same time we can change the image also. Okay. So how to change the image? Go here. Image background we have given 1.jpg. Put here as a 2.jpg. But this folder should be in the folder. This file should be in the folder. Next you can keep 3.jpg. Next you can keep 4.jpg. Okay, proof ready. Check now. Photos are changing. Photos should be there in the current folder. Photo will also change. Background. Text color will also change. Font size also you can increase. Font hyphen size 40 pixel. Font size 40. Font size 60. Or maybe 55. Next font size 75 or maybe 70. It will look like zoom out, zoom in happening. Font size will increase and decrease. Okay, working. Font size is increasing. Feel like font size is increasing and decreasing. Zoom out, zoom in. Okay, so hope no error or error? No error. We will write one animation to change the background of this navigation. Okay, in the menu we have UL tag. For UL tag also the menu will color will keep changing. Come to the CSS again. Go up. Where is the UL tag? Here is the UL tag. So in a UL tag, apply one animation colon minus animation hyphen duration 10 second animation iteration count infinite. Okay, now come. So we have to write a animation called minor. You can write here only. So it will be, or you can write before that also. Nav animation. At the rate keyframes. Okay, when 25% time get finished. Background, purple color. At 50% time will get finished. Background as a orange color. And 75% time will get finished. Background will be sky blue color. And we get a green color. Okay. So now the background will also keep changing automatically. Okay. So this animation, you got some idea how to write animation. Now next below we have to add the remaining contents. UL and animation of UL I will send to you in the chat. If anywhere problem, you can use this. Okay. We'll come down now in HTML file. Error. Not working or working? Hmm? So me, I will guide you. That is not take me. Hello. Hello. Okay, thanks. The problem download some photo from internet. Download photo and keep them proper. Rename 1, 2, 3, 4. It will be easy to call always. I have sent the code 3, 4 times. Check it is there in the chat. Okay, take again. Take the code for banner also. Image should be there in the folder and image must be 1, 2, 3, 4 because you are calling here 1, 2, 3, 4 only. It should be JPG photo. JPEG is also fine. If it is a PNG, you have to change that extension or you have to write a different extension. Okay, now in home after banner, you can write a section ID equal to container. Okay, container, and after that we'll have a footer. Footer. Inside footer, we can write some name in a paragraph. First, if IRST first, inquiry, digital media. Okay, hope written. So footer will come where? Footer should come in the last completely. So for section tag, we are given ID as a container, write h1, ID equal to page title, and equal to page title, and we can write here for welcome this name. Below in one paragraph, we can insert some line. Okay, let's go now. Check once. Let's look here. Like this, we have to write the CSS to make it more better. Into the CSS file. Into the CSS for footer, for container, and for page title. First for container, we can write. Go to the style.css file. We can come down as container. Width not required. We can write the padding 10 pixel from top, 10% from left to right, 10 px from bottom. Minimum height 500 pixel. Border hyphen bottom 5 pixel solid orange color. In the bottom, there will be 5 pixels there. Text align center is the right. Text hyphen align center. We have one more called footer. For that, border hyphen top 5 pixel solid blue color. Padding 15 pixel. Background green color. Color white color. Color white color. Height 150 pixel. Text align center. Okay, ready? Footer will be in the last. Both the border will get combined from top and from bottom. Border you can increase to maybe 15 and here also 15. Both the place apply the border to 15 and 15. Change to 15, 15. Okay, hope ready. Something like this. Now here we can display the multiple photos. 3 photo in one line. So you can write a class called my photo. My photo. The my photo will look like my photo will look like height of the photo 150, depth of the photo 22.5% and margin 1%. Check a spelling. Put a spelling here, what it is there, what it is. Semicolon you have written, spelling of CSS property hello. Those will be the possibility of mistake. As okay, note CSS you have written. After this paragraph, 4 photo we need to display in one line. So we can go to the now in home.html and we can call this photo. So class equal to my. After paragraph, you will write ing src equal to 1.jpg. You can call single photo also. Same photo you can call, or if you have different photo, you can call different photo also. Okay, work written. Check now, photos are coming. 4 photo in one line. Okay, 4 photo appear. Now navigation, we can fix navigation. Navigation is moving up down. No? You can make it fixed, then it will look more better. Go to your CSS file in CSS for UL. We have written somewhere UL here. UL. In that UL you can write width 100%, and position fixed. Width 100%, position is fixed. Okay, navigation become fixed. It will go little inside, but it will become fixed navigation. You can scroll up down. It looks like this. In that CSS file is separate and HTML file is separate. Navigation, fixed navigation. All videos I have uploaded yesterday night. You can check once. It's there in the channel.